Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Frenzy Toons, and today's video we discuss about the concept of animation and VFX. In this video we cover a whole 2D animation concept. We talk about how 2D animation make, which software we use to make 2D animation, and also some traditional techniques of making 2D animation. And next video we discuss about a 3D animation. So if you know what is 2D animation, and it's possible you know about what is animation, so you can skip this video and go to direct next video. So first we talk about what is animation. Animation is an art and technique of bringing image, drawings or computer generated graphics to life by making them appear to move, usually in sequential manner. Animation are two types, 2D animation and 3D animation. The difference of 2D animation and 3D animation is that the 2D animation is two-dimensional and 3D animation is three-dimensional. You have seen many animation movies, but you don't know what is 2D animation and what is 3D animation. I hope you know a difference between that from my next segment. So let's move on and talk about whole history of 2D animation. Emile Kohal was the first person who introduced a 2D animation in 1908 with his first short film Phantasmagoria. It comes in at just under 2 minutes of runtime and is composed of 700 drawings. You have seen many 2D animation movies, like the most famous one is Lion King from Disney. I think this is the best example if you want to understand of 2D and 3D animation concept, because this movie is available in both 2D animation and 3D animation version. The 2D animation version of that movie is released in 1994, and after 25 years Disney released 3D animation version of that movie in 2019. You also seen many cartoons like Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, etc., which is an example of 2D animation. So we discuss about what is 2D animation and what is their history. Let's discuss about how it make. There are two methods of making 2D animation. First is traditional and second is modern. In traditional method, people generally use their hand to draw animation in white paper. It is very time consuming method, but in modern time we use computer software to making a 2D animation. In this method we can use computer to draw 2D animation and it save more time. This is, I think, basic of 2D animation, which you have to know if you want to start a 2D animation. And now we talk about what is basic equipment you need to start a 2D animation. So if you want to start a 2D animation, first you need a PC or a laptop. In case of 2D animation, you don't need any expensive PC or laptop. 4GB RAM and decent graphic card is enough for 2D animation. And if you have a budget, so you can choose a MacBook. It is the best choice. After PC, second thing, you need a pen tablet for drawing, because mouse doesn't give that type of result which pen tablet gave to us. If you have that equipment, you can make your own 2D animation movie and make a money from that. This is the last section of that video. In this section we discuss about what software we use to make a 2D animation. There are many software in market, but best softwares are Blender, Adobe Character Animator, Pencil 2D, Krita, Adobe Animate, Clip Studio Paint, OpenToons, Autodesk Animator Pro, Draw Plus. There are some software which is free and some are paid. Blender, Pencil 2D and Krita are free software. You can use it for free and make your own 2D animation movie. This is it for today's video. Next video we discuss about what is 3D animation, and after that we discuss about what is VFX. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you can like, subscribe and share this video.